So here I was discussing about different characteristics of the mind map, that we have to start our mind map through the central image or the central idea. Then we can connect this idea towards the central or main theme, and through main theme, then different branches, twigs, and nodal structure. So this is actually the characteristics of mind mappings and how we can map our ideas. So here you can see that Tony Buzan, the mind mapping, okay, he actually claims that the readers can read the information from left to right and top to bottom, while the brain's natural performance is to scan the entire page into the non-linear fusion. So he uses this widespread assumptions and has several registered trademarks on the mind map and mind mapping. So let's have a small video regarding this Tony Buzos, where he answers different questions related to the mind mapping, and I'm sure you will learn a lot of through this video. Just wait.
Dia मेरा
These are techniques of thinking. Years and thousands of years of experience and research found the ways in which we think most effectively. And I studied neurophysiology, I studied psychology, psycholinguistics, I studied Korean medicine, I studied groups of great thinkers, and I studied myself. What actually worked for me is evolved.
Mind maps are easy to create and effective. You start with an eye-catching central image in the middle of the blank page. Then create branches that radiate out from this image with conflicting your ideas.
Start by having an image in the center. Why an image? 1,000 words.
Saba ma'am, can't listen. There is no audio. Saba ma'am.
Central image. Second law is
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can't listen to the audio. No, no audio.
You cannot see or listen.
Yeah, we can't listen. No audio at all.
But ma'am, I have another phone. Its volume is there.
Oh, but can't listen here.
main.
Others, I don't know about others.
These emanate from the central image. Those main branches are curvilinear because thinking is natural. It's organic. And the curvilinear branch attracts the brain.
Taiba.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Taiba. Yeah, please share this video again. And when
Okay.
you're sharing, please select the option share audio.
Okay.
Not hanging off the ends, but emanating from main branches, VOIs, chapter headings. Emanate these second level ideas. Those third level.
Do you want to maximise your mind's creative potential and generate brilliant ideas? Tony Buzan is a best-selling author and world-renowned expert on creativity, learning and memory. He has helped millions of people across the world unlock their potential with his intuitive thinking tool, the Mind Map. So, what are mind maps?
These are techniques for thinking that over 40 years and thousands of years of experience and research have been found to be the ways in which we think most effectively. And I studied neurophysiology, I studied psychology, I studied psycholinguistics, I studied pre-medicine, I studied the notes of the great thinkers, and I studied myself, what actually worked for me and what didn't. And over the 40 years evolved the Mind Map.
Mind maps are easy to create and effective. We start with an eye-catching central image in the middle of a blank page. We then create branches that radiate out from this image and reflect your ideas.
You start a mind map with an image in the center. Why an image? Picture is worth 1,000 words, stimulates memory, stimulates associations, stimulates your thought. From the central image, the second law is main curvilinear branches. These emanate from the central image. Those main branches are curvilinear because thinking is natural, it's organic, and the curvilinear branch attracts the brain more. Those branches, which are called in psychology, in idiomatic language, the BOIs, the basic ordering ideas, are fundamentally the chapter headings of your thought. From those branches emanate, not hanging off the ends, but emanating from the main branches, the BOIs, the chapter headings, emanate these second level ideas. From those, the third level, from those, the fourth level, and very quickly you realize that the mind map as a manifestation of your thought is an infinite thinking process. You can go on adding branches to this branch forever. You can go on adding branches to this branch forever. So the mind map reflects the fact that potentially your thinking, your intelligences are infinitely capable of generation.
Add only one key word to each branch, avoiding phrases or sentences.
Wherever you can, and this should be basically everywhere, one key idea per branch. Why one and not two? Why not a phrase? The reason is that each key idea, each key word, each key image is like a little exploding supernova. So every one radiates out associations. And when you're building a mind map, you want each one of those supernovas of meaning to have the freedom to generate ideas. If you put them in phrases, it's like putting your hand in a cast. You rigidify all the joints, which is what makes your arm and hand such a phenomenally competent tool. Similarly with the mind map, the single word per line rule actually gives you more explosive freedom, more explosive creativity.
To make your map more effective, you should use colour and stimulating images throughout.
The mind map triggers. It uses colour instead of monochrome. Colours, plural. Do you like colours? Of course you do. And a colour is a thinking tool. It's not some childish thing. Colour allows you to order, to discriminate, to code, to highlight, to generate thought, to remember. It's an ultimate thinking tool if used well, and especially in the context of the mind map. Images throughout. Same as for the central image, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So if you have images throughout your mind map, then you are going to automatically have more powerful memory, more stimulation, more interest, more generative thought.
Mind mapping has been proven to boost your productivity, creativity, memory and comprehension, and can be used for almost anything, from planning and organising tasks to generating ideas and presenting. Visit our website at thinkbuzan.com to find out more.
I hope you all enjoy this video and you learn a lot of knowledge through this. Please stay with me till the end because you are going to learn a new program that how we can make different mapping. Different mind mapping for the education purposes, and what kind of ideas can be used in the education system, and how the students they can have more interactive and interesting ideas by learning the creativity instead of wrapping their ideas through the text. So mind mapping for the education, it is important for the brainstorming session, for the visualizing concept. Through this, we can improve the critical thinking and the reading and writing skill of our students. Okay, the students, they are bored through the storytelling. So through this presentation of this storytelling through the mind mapping, we can enhance their interest towards reading, and for the advanced research papers and for the graduate projects. So mind mapping is very useful. But there are some prerequisites to jump into some, know that what type of software can create the mind map. So you have to prepare before you go to start your practical session. We need to understand that what topic you need to select, actually that topic, then the main idea, and you need to draw some of the lines, some brainstorming ideas, and then connect all those ideas with the main detail. So here I'm going to, there are so many best software, but I am going to share what's one software through which you can learn how we can create the mind map. So the software is EdraMind. Now our practical session. So through this EdraMind, how we can create our mind map. See, dear all, in your Google search bar, you have to just write themindmaster.iu. Okay, when you type this, you will find this page. Here, there is the website. Click on the website. Now, as you can see, the T is there. That's mean I have already signed in. Okay, here you will find the sign up and sign in login. If once you will sign up, then every time you will just sign in login. Click on the sign in login and enter your email address and your password. Then you will be here on this page. So I have already logged in. That's why I am here. Once you have signed up, then every time you just need to sign in. Okay, after you sign in, you will find this page. It is the new file page. You can see there are so many designs for your mind mapping. You can choose any of the design. Like here, I am going to choose this tree map. Yes, here our page is. Now you can see here the box is there with the main idea. So what is your main idea which you are going to share with your students? You can type in your main ideas, and also for example, if I am going to type it, days of week. Now I want to add my sub or main top, after main topic, the other main topic, you can select this. If you don't want to select this plus sign, you can click here. It's removed. Okay, if you want to add, you can click on plus. See, because I clicked twice, that's why. So one you can. Now I want to use this. I want another one from here. Click on the plus sign, you will find.
Dr. Tayyiba, we lost your audio again.
You lost the audio again?
Now, okay, now.
No. Okay. Okay, see, again, you have to enter for how many your topics you want to add. You can add and you can write. You can drag this wherever. If you want to change the theme, what you can do, you can choose any one of the themes. See, there are so many themes are there. For example, we are using this one now. See, with the colorful lines. This is for the theme. If you want to change the layout, you don't like this layout, you want to change it, you can use another one like this. This is for the connector style. If you want to change the connector style, you can change it. Okay, see. Here you have numbering. If you want to add the numbering, okay, all the numbers in the Roman, in Arabic, in letters, all are there. For example, I will click on 1, 2, 3. You can see numbers are here. Okay, if you want to change the background, you can change any color, because the colorful pages attract the students. This is the background picture. If you want to add any picture, you can select. Or if you don't want background, you can remove from here. The tools which I am using is the first one, this brush tool. It's click on here, you will find all the tools here. Now, this is the second option, the mark option. If you want to use any image, you can use any image from here. Like I want to use flag. Or the star. Or any symbol. Yeah, this is the outline which we have added. You can see what you have written in your ManMai. So this is the history of your file. Here you can add some of the brainstorming. question or your file name. You can also see there are many options are here. Again, insert, if you want to insert the topic, you can choose here. You want to insert this, or you can floating the topic, you can float it. You can also insert the relationship. See, if you want this topics again, you want to add, you can also add the subtopic here in each of, even though for your subtopic still you have more. And after that, if you want to make changes, you can again choose any theme. Any color, any design. If you want to insert some note, you can also add some notes. For example, I'm just typing like this. Okay, and confirm. You can choose the font style, font size, all like as in Word we can use, and confirm. Then if you want to insert the picture, you can insert, select your file. You can upload any image. I think the size of, we can drag anywhere this image. So if for explaining your main title, you can use any type of the image for it. See, the note is here because it was selected. So my note is here, you can see. This is the format painter. If you want to select, is the same option as you can see, many options are here. So now this one is selected, the rainbow style. You can change. For example, this I want to change. See, the document has been modified. All information you will get it from here. I don't like this layout, I want to change it. Okay. Yes, dear. Any question related to this? This is very easy. Once you all have done what you can do, you can publish through this for all. If you don't want to publish, see, automatically it is saving and saved successfully. Now you want to see the preview. Okay, if you want to save it, it's automatically saved, but I will show you. Yes, slideshow. You can see here, slideshow. All the slides are here. Now, this is your file. Click on your arrows button from your laptop, you can see. Yes, if you will save that you have done this, you can go it here again. You can see in cloud, this is my first try which I practiced, and this is the field. Now your file is here which we have just now created. If you want to change or you want to rename it, go these three dots and select rename. And that's okay. Now if you want to modify again, you have to double click. See, our file is there. So through this software, you can create as many mind maps. And also we can export your file after you have done and you want to share now. You can export it. Click on this arrow button. See in which form do you want to save your file, or you want to export your file, like in PNG form, JPG form, WebP form, BMP, or what. Okay, so better you select JPG form, then don't touch, just front page and confirm. Now where you want to save, you can save in your laptop and your file. Now, after saving your file, you can share with your students or you can use wherever you want to use. This is what the software AdraMind, through which you can create different mind maps. Now, if you have any question regarding this practical session, you can ask, because I have to go back on my slides. Is there any question? So shall I back? Okay, after learning this, that how we can create the mind map with AdraMind. Now we need to know what are the benefits of mind map. Actually, the mind map is a meaningful connection, and it can be a team collaboration, and also the members' individual space or the visual and organize the wide range of data through this mind mapping. But still there are some essential parts which we need to discuss again. I'm just concluding this. We need a central theme for creating our map, and different associations to which are related to the central theme. Then there are some curved lines, because curved lines impact a very strong impact on the students and the brain memory. Then the important keywords and the proximity, what types of keywords we are going to use, and all the associations. So these are the essential parts which are very much important. So through this mind map, we can create with different images, or we can say that we can create an important skill to learn that can improve the memory and its association. So this means that linking what you want to remember with something else, like some visuals. So that's why mind mapping is an effective memory booster tool. So this is very much important nowadays for our students to improve their skills. Thank you very much.